Today I am testing some handmade firecrackers and bombs at morning. Let's see how it works. Start with handmade yellow smoke bomb. Let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness, look at this yellow cloud. It looks satisfying. Guys, that was so satisfying in real life. Now, turn of handmade triangle firecrackers. Let's see. Oh, that was so fast. Now, try to another one. Let's go. Ooh, good pop. This is handmade cherry bomb, guys. Let's go for it. Cherry bomb versus big pot, guys. It should be insane. That was absolutely amazing, guys. This is handmade triple XL firecracker. Let's go! Handmade triple XL firecracker versus big pot. Let's go! Oh my goodness, that was insane. This is small and fast rocket. Let's go! Try another one, guys. Oh my god, failed! Now, handmade injection firecracker! That was great invention by me. This is a big paper bomb by me. That was great. This is handmade fountain plus boom. Let's go. That was cool white sparklers. Now this is handmade crackling shots. Let's go for it. my god, that was beautiful, crackling and colors. If you enjoyed this video, then hit subscribe button. Please don't try it home. Stay safe, my friends. Bye bye guys. See you soon. This is Cracker Boy Big Triangle Firecracker.